You do chem, this is the simplest way to think about the mole. The concept of a mole is literally a chemist's way to count things. So let's say with shoes, we count in pairs, right? So if I give you a box and I say, that's a pair of shoes, you'd be like, oh, sweet, there's 2 shoes in there because a pair means 2. So if you give another box and I say there's a pair in there too, you're like, oh, cool, that means there's 2 shoes in there. Now, when we talk about the mole in chemistry, we're talking about a certain quantity, like a counting mechanism. And instead of it representing 2, it actually represents 6.02 times 10 to the 23 things. So it's a really, really big number. That's why conceptually it's hard. But essentially, every time I give you a mole of something, I'm giving you this many of the thing. How do you work in the reverse then? So let's just say I gave you 5 shoes, and I said, how many pairs are there? You'll count them in groups of 2. So there's one group of 2, there's one group of 2. So there's 2 pairs and a leftover. Or you can think about it as in dividing in groups of 2. 5 over 2, 2.5. Same concept with the mole, but instead use 6.02 times 10 to the